Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the grass rendering distance in Paralives. Let's begin by opening settings. From here, select Video. Look at the bottom, there is the grass rendering distance. You can set it to low, medium, high or max. What does it actually do? This changes the distance at which grass stops rendering. This may save you some resources and improve performance, by of course lowering it. Increase it to, well, have grass render further away. Once you are done, close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.